Right, let's find the shaded area. First things first then, we're going to find the area of the sector, OAB. We can think that's part of a big circle. So let's work out the area of that big circle and multiply it by the proportion of the circle that we have. So in total, the area of OAB is going to be equal to the area of the big circle, which is pi r squared. In this case, 6 is our radius, so it's 6 squared, which is 36. So we have 36 pi, multiplied then by what proportion of the circle we have. Well, we've got pi over 3 radians, and in total, there's 2 pi radians. So it becomes pi over 3 divided by 2 pi. So what we get, our pi's cancelled off. If we now times top and bottom by 1 over 3, we have that 36 pi is going to be times top and bottom, times by 1 over 6. So altogether, this gives us 6 pi. Beautiful. Second step then, we want to find the radius of this inner circle. So we'll draw some on. We'll draw a line that goes from C, the centre, out to the line OB. And we'll make it so that it's a right angle when it intersects. And if we draw another line now that goes right from C up to O, you can see we form a right angled triangle here. So we can use that along with the fact that if we draw another line from C that continues straight on with our line from above, it will intersect our arc AB. And the total line from O down to here will be a radius as well. So we can go and drop some things on. This length is going to be R. This is going to be R. And then the length from C to O is going to be 6 minus R, where it's 6 in total, but this bit is R, so this bit must be 6 minus R. Beautiful. Carrying on looking at this triangle then, we can see that we have pi on 3 for this big angle. We've completely split it in half, so what we're going to have is this is pi on 6 on this side here. Beautiful. So we can have a look at this triangle with trigonometry. What we have is that sine of pi on 6 is equal to the opposite, which is r, divided by the hypotenuse of 6 minus r. And now then, we can replace our sine pi on 6 with 1/2. As this is pi on 6 is 30 degrees, sine of 30 or sine of pi on 6 gives us 1/2. And now let's rearrange and try and find the value of r. So what we're going to get is that 2r is equal to 6 minus r. And therefore, what we have is that 3r is equal to 6. And so r is equal to 2. Beautiful. We've got the radius of r, the radius of that circle. So now we can find the area of it. So the area of C is equal to pi r squared. R in this case is 2. So squaring that gives us 4. So we have 4 pi. And therefore, altogether, the area, or the shaded area, so we'll put area of the shade, is equal to the 6 pi minus the 4 pi, which altogether gives us 2 pi. Beautiful. Very nice answer.